Welcome back to my channel Education Hub. Point 48. Sit properly.
Sit properly.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Don't stay up too late.
Don't stay up too late.
Don't touch the stove, it's hot.
Don't touch the stove, it's hot.
Eat your vegetables.
Eat your vegetables.
Don't touch that, it's fragile.
Don't touch that, it's fragile.
Always wash your hands after using the bathroom.
Always wash your hands after using the bathroom.
Don't talk to strangers.
Don't talk to strangers.
Don't drink a lot of fizzy drinks.
Don't drink a lot of fizzy drinks.
Be home before dark.
Be home before dark.
Look both ways before crossing the street.
Look both ways before crossing the street.
Brush your teeth twice a day.
Brush your teeth twice a day.
Be careful with that knife.
Be careful with that knife.
Always wear your seatbelt.
Always wear your seatbelt.
Don't leave your bike outside overnight.
Don't leave your bike outside overnight.
Don't forget to wear your jacket, it's cold outside.
Don't forget to wear your jacket, it's cold outside.
Don't run with scissors.
Don't run with scissors.
Finish your homework before playing.
Finish your homework before playing.
Go to the bathroom.
Go to the bathroom.
Put your toys away.
Put your toys away.
Don't make a mess.
Don't make a mess.
Stop making noise.
Stop making noise.
It's getting late.
It's getting late.
That's a great idea.
That's a great idea.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Listen to your teacher.
Listen to your teacher.
Wash your hands before eating.
Wash your hands before eating.
Don't play in the street.
Don't play in the street.
Wear a helmet when riding your bike.
Wear a helmet when riding your bike.
Don't talk back to your elders.
Don't talk back to your elders.
Keep your room clean.
Keep your room clean.
Don't play with matches.
Don't play with matches.
Go to school on time.
Go to school on time.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Share your toys with others.
Share your toys with others.
Don't climb on the furniture.
Don't climb on the furniture.
Don't interrupt when someone is talking.
Don't interrupt when someone is talking.
Be kind to animals.
Be kind to animals.
Don't leave your toys on the floor.
Don't leave your toys on the floor.
Always lock the door when you come home.
Always lock the door when you come home.
Finish your chores before watching TV.
Finish your chores before watching TV.
Don't pull your siblings' hair.
Don't pull your siblings' hair.
Be respectful to everyone.
Be respectful to everyone.
Don't forget your lunch.
Don't forget your lunch.
Don't slam the door.
Don't slam the door.
Always ask for permission before going out.
Always ask for permission before going out.
Time to wake up.
Time to wake up.
Put your coat on.
Put your coat on.
Give me the book.
Give me the book.
Finish your food.
Finish your food.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Come back here.
Come back here.
Go to your room.
Go to your room.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Sit properly.
Sit properly.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Don't stay up too late.
Don't stay up too late.
Don't touch the stove, it's hot.
Don't touch the stove, it's hot.
Eat your vegetables.
Eat your vegetables.
Thanks for watching Education Hub. Point 48. Subscribe for more videos.